With the people counting system, you can quickly and easily get an overview of your visitor numbers. This allows you to collect important information about the visitor flows and use this information to save money, gain valuable analytics, increase operational efficiency, and improve the visitor experience. This people counter is a battery-powered people counter set. It consists of a transmitter and a receiver that can be placed at the entrance of your store or location. The people counter is direction sensitive. Users can see which count direction is displayed on the screen. After an amazingly easy installation, you can start counting right away. The operation of this people counter is quite simple. An infrared beam is sent from the transmitter and reflected to the receiver. When someone walks through the beam is interrupted and a count is registered. The maximum distance between the transmitter and the receiver is 8 meters. Some important advantages of this system are completely wireless, clear display, easy to reset, and especially useful for daily counts. A qualitative and cost-efficient people counting system to optimize your business.